Imagine gliding down the highway in a sleek, futuristic SUV that looks like a concept car, but feels like tomorrow's daily driver. Meet the 2026 BMW iX3 Neue Klasse, a bold new chapter for BMW that blends raw electric power, cutting-edge tech, and minimalist luxury in one package that aims to redefine what an EV SUV can be. Every line of the iX3 Neue Klasse speaks of transformation. This isn't just another BMW, it's the first model built on BMW's all-new Neue Klasse, new class electric architecture, and it's here to show what the future of driving looks like. From the exterior, you get smooth, clean surfaces, flush door handles, upright vertical grille with illuminated contours instead of the traditional oversized kidney grills, and futuristic vertical LED headlights that give it a concept car vibe, while slim, stretched taillights and aerodynamic body design, drag coefficient reportedly dropped to 0.24, make it sharper and more efficient than ever. Inside, you're greeted by a radically redesigned cabin. The classic rotary iDrive knob and separate instrument cluster are gone, replaced by a huge 17.9-inch central touchscreen angled toward the driver and a sweeping panoramic vision display across the windshield base that projects driving data, navigation, and widgets, plus an optional 3D head-up display for added immersion. Physical buttons are minimal, and only essential ones such as volume, gear selector, parking brake, and a few controls remain between the seats, keeping the cabin uncluttered and forward-thinking. But this is far more than just a new look. Under the skin lies BMW's 6th-generation eDrive system. The production-ready iX3 50xDrive packs dual electric motors that produce about 463 horsepower and a robust torque figure, delivering 0 to 100 km per hour acceleration in roughly 4.9 seconds, with a top speed limited around 210 km per hour. EV performance with BMW driving DNA. The battery is a high-voltage lithium-ion pack integrated into the floor, giving the iX3 enough energy storage to target up to 497 miles, or around 400 miles EPA estimate on a single charge for the long-range variant, and around 805 kilometers on WLTP cycle. Thanks to 800-volt architecture, ultra-fast DC chargers, up to 400 kilowatts, can juice the battery from 10% to 80% in about 21 minutes, and you can get more than 200 to 230 miles of range in as little as 10 minutes of charging. Charging speed and range that puts it among the best in the EV SUV segment. Practicality hasn't been sacrificed in pursuit of style. The iX3 offers generous storage with a rear cargo space of about 520 liters, expandable to about 1,750 liters by folding down the rear seats, plus an additional 58-liter frunk up front for small items. The suspension setup for ride comfort and stability remains a 5-link rear system with a strut front end, designed to balance sporty handling with daily usability. Inside the cabin, comfort and convenience meet intelligent design. Expect features such as dual-zone automatic climate control, heated and power-adjustable seats, wireless charging, a panoramic roof with solar control glass and optional sunblind, and BMW's latest infotainment system built around the Heart of Joy central computer, a unified superbrain controlling everything from drive dynamics to climate, infotainment, and driver assistance, replacing the patchwork of many microprocessors used in older cars. On the safety and driver assistance front, the iX3 should benefit from BMW's advanced driver assist suite, adaptive cruise and distance control, emergency braking and steering intervention, lane keeping assistance, parking assist with rear-view camera and 360-degree sensors, parking distance control, reverse emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, and automated parking maneuvers, essentially modern ADAS features expected from a premium SUV, wrapped in the Neue Klasse software-first architecture, meaning over-the-air updates will keep the car current with new features and improvements long after you buy it. BMW plans to begin production of the iX3 in late 2025 at its Debrecen plant in Hungary, with U.S. deliveries expected by summer 2026. And while official pricing for the U.S. market hasn't been confirmed yet, early estimates position it around the $60,000 to $65,000 range for the base all-wheel drive variant. For buyers looking to step into BMW's electric future, the iX3 Neue Klasse offers a compelling mix of performance, range, technology, practicality, and design, while serving as the vanguard of what BMW promises will be more than 40 Neue Klasse-based models by 2027. So if you're into the idea of an SUV that doesn't just adapt to the future, but arrives ahead of it, the 2026 BMW iX3 Neue Klasse could well be the EV SUV to watch. And that was your first look here on Gravity Automotive. If you enjoyed this overview and want more deep dives on upcoming cars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.